Hello children, welcome to your English class of literature reader, and this is for class 2. This is your second lecture. So today we will do a grammar part of the chapter, this poem One City at Night grammar part. So basically I have made a list of for you all. You can just see it. Hope it's visible to you all. See, we are going to do today plural nouns. Okay, so plural nouns are, see, it will tell you like we need to add s when with those words except es and all. See, just see, add s when we are going to use add s, like dream, dreams, flower, flowers, show, shoe, shoes. When we are adding s, just see, adding s or es when if the words which are ending with this like x, z, s, sh, ch, then we are using es. Okay, and for everything else we are just adding s. So this is the rule for plural nouns. Plural nouns means more than one. If there is a one thing, so we will say singular, single, and if there is more than one thing, we will say plural. For examples, like here I have kept a pencil. So how many pencil I am having? One. And here I am having 3 sketches. So 3 pens, 1 pencil. Okay. Same way, if only one sketch I am having, then I will say 1 sketch pen. If I am having three, then I will say 3 sketch pens. Pen will become pens. If more than one, we will add s. But there are some rules, as I have said you all. So now let us move to add es, like lunch, more than one, lunches, flash, flashes, mess, messes. Now I have written something for you all, like drop the y, add ies. If the words are ending with y, then we will add ies, like baby, babies, family, families, story, stories. All these words are ending with y, so we will exclude y and we will add ies. Same way, here it is, like drop the f, add ves. If the words are ending with f, okay, here the words are ending with f, like wolf, so we will add ves, wolves. Shelf, shelves. Wife, wives. Okay, but there are some irregular nouns also. As we know, nouns are the name of a place, person, animal, things. But there are some irregular nouns for which we will not add s, we will not add ies, we will not add ves, we will not add ees. Like if child will become children, woman will become woman, mouse, mice, goose, geese, deer will be deer, tooth, teeth. Like we don't say how many teeth, we don't say how many tooths or how many teeths you have. We say how many teeth you have. So moose, mice, man, men, man, men. We doesn't add man. We don't add mans. We will not add s. If there is one man, more than one, we will say men, men. Okay, so this was the summary for plural nouns. Let's move to exercise. Hope you have understood. So the rules are, as I have said you, add s or es. If the words ends with x, z, s, sh, ch, then we will add es, and for everything else we will add s. So let's move to exercise part now. First, let's read this. Like, see over here, there you can read page number 4. Like donut, donuts, bird, birds. Single bird, we will say bird. More than one, we will say birds. Okay. So here, words such as donut and birds are nouns. They talk one person or thing. Now let us move to see plural form. I have explained, like there are more you can read. House, houses, cake, cakes, tiger, tigers, school, schools. Next again, like ch and n, you can read again. Bus, buses, dish, dishes, match, matches, box, boxes, hiss, hisses. Hiss means सांप जो फनफनाता है ना, उसे hiss कहते हैं. Wish, wishes. Loaf, loaves. Life, lives. Have, halves. Knife, knives. Seen again. Family, families. Cherry, cherries. City, cities. Lily, lilies. And again, some nouns that have different plural form, as I have explained you now, just now we did, like child, children, man, men, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice. And there are some more, like sheep will always be sheep. News, news. Deer, deer. Moose, moose. Okay, now I'm going to, like it's moose, moose. Okay, so mouse is mice, moose is moose. Okay, so next, now there is an exercise, like tick the correct word for each pictures. So here there are how many boxes? There is more than one box. 1, 2, 3. So it will be boxes. Again, single tree, to tree. There are how many mouse? 2 mouse. So we will not say mouse, we will say mice. Mice. If agar single hota, तो we will say mouse. More than one, so we will say mice. So next page now again. Train, 1. Eggs, fly. Now add s or es to these nouns and write the plural. Like dog, it will be dogs. Bush, bushes. Dress, dresses. Shoe, shoes. Fox, foxes. Puppy, puppies. Okay. And there are more things for this, like something are countable and uncountable. Okay. Like there are some words like water, which cannot be counted, isn't it? Like agar water, can water be counted? No. Rice के जो दाने होते हैं, rice दाने, that also we cannot count, isn't it? Hours, घंटे, वो हम लोग नहीं count कर सकते. So we will add noise. Okay, like noise and all we cannot count. We can feel it, isn't it? So these are uncountable noun. So now countable nouns are nouns that can be counted, and uncountable nouns are those that cannot be counted. Like we can count chair, we can count pen, we can count book. So we will add many for that. Okay, and for those for which we cannot count, we will say much. So see, remember, we cannot say 2 airs or 6 rises. We use many with countable nouns and much with uncountable nouns. So this is the rule. This is very important. The things which we can count, we will say, we will use many. The things which we cannot count, we will add much. There are many birds in the sky. How much water is there in the sea? So this is an exercise again, page number 17. Like house, we can count. So we will write C. Noodles, we cannot count, uncountable. Deer, we can count. So deer. Milk again, it's uncountable. U. Post office is countable. C. Rain. Rain again, it's uncountable. So we are using U. Now fill in the blanks with much or many. So how blank apples are there in the ball? So we will add many because we can count. So how many apples are there in the bowl? Pia took many pictures of my puppy because pictures are countable. How much pasta is left in the box? Kitna pasta left there? How much hours are there in a day? You are making too much noise. Okay. Nextly, this will be language lab. Moving to language lab, as we have done this, short A sound and long A sound. So circle the words with the short A sound. Fate, cape, lamp. So lamp we will circle. Clay, pan, ape, pan. So we will circle clay. Apple, bake, paint. Apple again. Okay, now next. Number B of page 18 will be your homework. Listen to the story and mark these statements as true or false. This is a story of a dog, greedy dog, and you can do this as your homework. Like this is an activity. Choose a city that you have recently been to. Make a small booklet. आपको booklet बनाना है with information about the city. एक सिटी का नाम जो आप recently visit किया है उसके बारे में लिखोगे, जिसमें information होना चाहिए name of the place, कहाँ गए थे, फेमस मॉन्यूमेंट्स, उस जगह में कौन सी जगह है जहाँ पे आप जाके घूमे हो, उसके फेमस थिंग्स मॉन्यूमेंट्स क्या है, टूरिस्ट प्लेसेस क्या क्या है घूमने का, नियरेस्ट स्टेशन और एयरपोर्ट उस सिटी के बारे में, फेमस मार्केट्स ऑफ देयर, फेमस फूड आइटम्स. If you are having pictures, then you can add pictures also related to it. Okay, so this will be your homework, and now chapter 2 is completed. Read, learn and prepare. Thank you.